The Welding Technology program at Craven Community College provides the training you need for a career in construction, fabrication, quality control, equipment repair, machining, and countless other jobs that are both flexible and in high demand. As a student in the Welding Technology program, you'll learn about shielded metal arc, tungsten inert gas, and metal inert gas welding, safety while working in welding, and various cutting environments. Instruction includes consumable and non-consumable electrode welding and cutting processes, as well as math, blueprint reading, metallurgy, welding inspection, and destructive and non-destructive testing. You can work toward a certificate, diploma, or associate degree at Craven Community College to qualify for many in-demand jobs in our community. Or continue your education through a special partnership with East Carolina University, where you can attain a Bachelor of Science degree in Industrial Technology. Whether you want to stick close to home or travel the world, the Welding Technology program at Craven Community College gives you the flexibility to start a new career today. To learn more about welding technology at Craven Community College, visit cravencc.edu/welding. Craven Community College, your first choice.